Aloha, everybody. It's me, Jonathan Barlow G, here to do another unboxing video of more of my books. This is the second batch of books that I've had printed off of Amazon, and they'll be in hardback, this particular batch. This is my Enochian works, complete and unabridged. So let's see, what do we have here? I have Metatron's Wings. This one I had in the first batch as well, but it wasn't in hardcover, so this time I got it in hardcover, and it has all of my Enochian material in it, working on the Neo-Enochian material in particular, but also including color coding John Dee's works, and that's Metatron's Wings. Let's see what's next. I should come to this one last. Let's go. Alderaya Siva Soigavokor in Enochian. This has the tables, the 36 tables of Soiga in English, and opposite pages in the Enochian alphabet. And this is in hardback, so it'll be easier to make copies from if anyone wants to use these to directly out of the books to replicate them. If anyone would like a PDF, those are available on Amazon as well, and on Google Drive at the moment still, courtesy of me, for free as well. So this is Abramelin in Enochian, and this is magic number squares, or rather magic letter squares, acrostics, that I've got in English and in Enochian. And these are from S.L. McGregor Mather's translation of them from a French manuscript, as well as Dean and Guth's recent publication of Abramelin from a German manuscript. And I completed them all out into squares from those acrostics. This also has Aurum Solus, which is about Enochian Gematria. And that's Abramelin in Enochian. And the last one is the one that I'm most proud of right now, and it's the most controversial. It's Liber Lagoeth by John Dee from his Enochian portfolio. That I've used a chatbot to translate it. So here it is, in Enochian, in transliteration into English letters for phonetic sounds, and in English translation according to ChatGPT. And it goes on, and it's a giant initiation ritual. Hopefully I'll be able to talk about this on an upcoming episode of Aeon Byte Gnostic Radio. And then after that, it's just more acrostics of 36 by 36 squares. And each of these acrostics, 49 squares by 49. Each of these acrostics I have in the first half in English letters, and then in the second half in Enochian letters. So Here's the last of the English letters and the beginning of the Enochian. This is probably going to make a big splash some way or another in the Enochian community, I would hope. It's certainly a large, copious tome that has much potential for future research and study in the Enochian alphabetic field in particular. But yeah, that's about all that for my Enochian second batch of books. Available now on Amazon.com. In hardbacks, this one's $30, this one's $20, this one's $30, and this one's $10. I would strongly encourage everybody who's got an interest in this to look it all up on Amazon.com under my full name, Jonathan Barlow Gee. And that's all for now. Have a great one. Peace.